Well, good morning. I haven't been doing much video this week so far because we were away going on up to Laos to go to visa, and they were off for this funeral, and I thought it'd be a bit quiet down here, so I thought I'd have a couple of days chilling out and relaxing. And I've got down here this morning, and there's a couple of big updates really. Let's show you. Now, they put the post shutters on. Now, I can't remember or didn't know they'd poured concrete on here. So it looks like they poured half the slab. Hey, anyway. So there you go. 2 front forms are on. Ready for concrete. And then on top of that, there's some pins there. These. And over here, we have big bolts and hook bolts. Now, I know that that's for when it all fits together for the ring beam for the top, and then these plates go on top. But I've just seen this steel here, 15 mil. Jesus, that's heavy. Anyway, so there's the poles that they're going to use for setting up the ring beam around the top. But we haven't had any more concrete slabs delivered. I guess that will come today. Yeah, so all the forms are off. So there we go. All the forms are off. The concrete beams are all exposed. And we now have two of these. Wow, that's a big update. So this makes for easier walking on now. The trip hazards of all the wires and everything aren't here. These beams are wide enough to walk across. So, yeah. Go all the way back to the back. There we go. All done. We've had some concrete poured. Hey ho. I don't mind. The sooner we get it finished, the better. I just want it done. So how about that then? That's a big update. Let's hope we get some concrete panels delivered today. But, yeah. These are big beams. These are. I can walk along these ones with no problem. And there's the 4 mil wire mesh that they laid down underneath the concrete. Yes. Well, here we go. First column being poured. This is trickle, but that's the extension. It's not going to be completely watertight, is it? Let's hope they don't burst. Who's here checking? Hopefully you can hear me above all the noise. Yeah, it's getting full up now. Bit heavy up there. Yeah, it looks like they're using the spare concrete from over yet to fill up these. Problem is, it's very noisy on site with both the generators running, and I can video, but the sound is going to be atrocious. But it looks like they're going to finish doing the rest of this pour here, and they're going to shut off the base of these circular pillars so that they can redo and reuse these to make the posts and pillars there. And then that'll be the half of this done. And I suspect then what they'll do will be start making up the rebar frame for the top beam. And then the panels and such like can move around. But it remains to be seen. We'll have a word with him later once we've sorted out what he's doing, and we'll have a chat with him. But it's very noisy here. Very, very noisy site. They're cutting the perspex there. We're going to put round the base of these pillars here to stop the concrete spilling out. So they also took out all the supports from underneath the beam, this half, just left the supports that are holding up the concrete slab. So they were cleaning this out. They should have done it as it went along. They'll be trying to get rid of all that cement. Going to be fun, but there's a little man under there doing it. So here we go. Hopefully this is all concrete panels for our slab to be done. They're the ones that were delivered the other day, and they left them on the floor because there wasn't enough room up top. They were going to slide them up manually. I think they realised they're going to have a delivery and they took the posts down. Well, once again, the sun's setting on our build site. It's been a very busy and productive day today, and all the panels are on. Just a few left to do before they're ready to sort of shut around the outside to pour concrete for the slab. So there we go. We've got all them panels all done. All the ones around the outside are all done. And this is essentially walking in. And then I'm walking through into the lounge area. And then this will be all open. And every night I'll be able to go and sit in my chair. With my beer. And this will be my view. Every evening. This area here, between these two posts, is going to be the outside kitchen. I've yet to design it, but it will include a pizza oven, bread oven, a barbecue, obviously some gas hob and workstation. And then over here we'll have my guilty pleasure, which will be the one thing I've wanted all the time. I want a pool table. Something to while away the evenings with. No, I just like playing pool. So there you go. Tomorrow I reckon they'll get it all done. And then they'll do the shuttering. And then they're going to be off on Sunday because it's 2 weeks. They get a day off. And then I reckon Monday or Tuesday they'll pour the remainder of the slab. But it remains to be seen. We'll see how we get on. We've got 8 15mm discs and they're 47 centimeters wide, and they fit on the top once the beam. So where the bolts are up there, nuts and bolts, it'll fit on there, and that's what the roof will sit on and be welded to. Well, it looks like they've tacked on a little bit more steel onto these forms. I guess it will remove the need for that extra collar up the top there. It looks like a dog's breakfast. That's only what I'm assuming. So the guys are now off till Monday. They have a day off every 2 weeks. The 2nd of the month and the 17th of the month. So they've finished all these over here. They've got a couple of slim bits to go in there to stop the cement falling through. And they need 2 more here. I think they're short a couple. And looks like they're filling in with some bits, but maybe not. Maybe that's just there. So yeah, they got that last bit to do. The actual one of the cutters, I think the brushes broke, or it broke. So they were down to 1 cutter. And they've been cutting the edges and cutting this along that red line there, all the way along there. Thanks for watching episode 14 of Gary and Mon's house build here in Dong Quan, northeast Thailand, Isan. If you've enjoyed the videos and you'd like to subscribe, give us a thumbs up or leave a comment. I'll be happy to answer. Until next week, goodbye!